Okay, I think we found something.
I've taken care of that annoying fly. What's the situation over there?
Puzzling. I saw a man dressed like a ninja just now.
Oh.
Ninja?
It's the only way to describe it. A kind of cyborg ninja complete with a sword.
Oh.
Are you hiding something from me?
Olga, are you sure it wasn't an Arsenal Tengu?
Wait, what?
Don't be a fool. Think I wouldn't know the difference? I've never seen field gear like that ever.
Alright, we'll intensify patrols. Anything else?
Actually, one more thing. You'll find it hard to believe, though. I saw a man hiding under a cardboard box.
Where?
On the connecting
Ah.
bridge to Shell 2. So you believe me this time?
I've seen someone use that box trick before. We'll lay a trap on the Shell 2 connecting bridge.
Over and out then.
Freeze!
Yeah.
You must be one of Dead Cell.
Of course not. What a thing to say.
Why did you say that to me?
Not a chance.
Oh. What? Okay. I guess she's just okay. I'm alright. Nobody worry about me. I'm alright. Somebody's alright.
Russian. Must be Olga Gerlukovich. How do you know?
No, there's no female that's Russian.
She's not a Dead Cell? No. She commands a Russian private army. They must be the ones patrolling the big shell.
Wait, she was okay?
That's right. She's led the group ever since her old man, Colonel Gerlukovich, died. Watch yourself with her. She's a tough one.
She's a toughin'. Alright. I hope there's a bomb up here. That's a terrible thing to say. I have 3 boxes now. Okay. Hey, buddy. There we go. Took me a little while. Yep, there's a bomb over here. Okay. I'm gonna assume it's under the plane. Yep, right there. Okay. So it's either on top of or below. And I can't. I just can't. It's too hard, boss. Okay. Yeah, we did it.
I have the last C4 frozen. There's nothing showing up on the sensor now.
Good work.
Uh-huh.
Ahead of me, kid. I still have one to go. How's your bomb, Peter?
It's a bomb, all right. Sealed C4, and in huge quantities.
You think there's another one in Shell 1?
For sure. Somewhere at the bottom of Strut A.
Why are you so certain?
If this bottom section of the strut is demolished,
chance.
Shell 2 will be well on its way to destruction.
You mean that Shell 2
Not a
will actually
chance.
sink?
What?
Not immediately.
Not a
There'll still be
chance.
5 struts left.
Not a
But if
chance.
Shell 1 loses a strut at the same time,
Get
it'll be
real.
a very different story. Shell structural
Hold on. So it happened again. The big structural integrity depends on the very exact balance. Oh, okay. A very exact balance. If both shells lose a strut each, the whole structure will tear itself apart under its own weight. What do? I have a sensor that can locate even those scentless C4s. It makes combined use of a neutron hydrogen bomb detector. You brought that stuff with you? Of course. Made the calibration swells in the pantry. Does it work? I just tested it, and it definitely responds. But the best I can do is a sound beacon, not radar. Sound? The shorter the interval between the beacons, the closer the target. I get you. There's another one in the pantry, and you can go back and get it. It's all yours, Raiden. Right? I'm gonna study it for some more and see if the freezing process will work. Don't touch the other one until I say so. Okay, I'll stand by until I radio in. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, it keeps happening. I'm scared I'm just gonna die. Like a capture card is just gonna explode. Beyond the truth, let me suffer now. Dun 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 dun. In my heart I know, in my heart I just know, but there's no way to light up the dark in his eyes. Whoa. 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 Oh ho. Whoa. I need this. Oh, I need it. Oh, I don't need it. Oh god. Gotta have escapes. Oh, getting away. Haha. He. God, today was hot outside. Like, jeez Louise, man. Like, jeez Louise, you guys. You don't even understand. No one understands me. No one understands me. No one understands me. No one understands me. Jesus. So for some reason, we were in drama today. I don't know why I said for some reason, but we were in drama today. And we were doing a game where you have to get a certain object and to pretend it's a different object every time, etc., etc. And so for some reason, we had a big rag. And I said, "Oh, this isn't a." I was like, "Oh, guys, what are you talking about? This isn't a bunch of goop. This is a human skin." I put it on myself. Hey, look at me! I'm the Westboro Baptist Church. Ah ha ha! And everyone laughed, and I felt kind of bad about it though, because people were looking at me because they were angry. They're like, "What's wrong with churches?" And I was like, "No, it's the Westboros, you silly goose." Man, those people suck. Like hard, like just hard suck. Oh, oh, I did it. Okay. Let me what? No, you don't. Ah. This is a little. No, you don't. Okay, bye. Why does that work? That should not work. That's a little silly, you guys. It's a little silly.
Freeze.
Freeze. Huh? God. So yeah, basically we gotta go back, get the thing from this pantry, and then he'll probably call us. And, so in and Sif is, understands me. I hate you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more video. God, I hate that. I hate that talk. I hate that. I hate content. I hate that word. I hate excite. Like, or exciting, to be more specific. Like, all of these words have been ruined because of business people. Who is... Okay. In my heart, I just know, but there's no way to light up the dark. In his eyes. What? Who said that? Not me. Oh, hey, buddy. Okay. No one understands me. Yep, that kick is not great. Just gonna throw that out there. Pretty sure everyone will know it now. Everyone will know it. So was the ninja with the sword me? I don't think it was. Was it like Gray Fox? I can only assume it was Gray Fox. Gray Fox is back from the dead again. Man, that'd be the worst if Gray Fox just kept coming back every single time. Oh, it's a big box. The bigger, blacker box.
Peter, I have sensor B.
Good. Head to the bottom of strut A.
My aim strat A?
Invisible bomb.
I'm looking at it, but I'm keeping my distance. How's Pliskin doing?
A few more minutes. I just got to the last strut, but there are a few enemy sentries I have to take care of.
Alright.
Does it look bad, Peter?
Maybe. It's an odd one. The detonator hasn't been activated.
What?
But the sensors are live. Which means...
This is Pliskin. I've located the last C4.
Is that...
Wow.
I'm about to freeze it. Then...
Wait! Pliskin!
Oh.
Damn! That was it!
What's going on?
The detonator just woke up. It's counting down.
What happened?
Oh.
The big ones were rigged to be activated when all the baby C4s went offline. Right.
Oh.
The one in Shell 1 should be counting down too. Hurry!
What's the remaining time?
Oh god. Oh god.
100 seconds.
400 seconds?
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Right. Move. Get to the bottom of strut A now.
Okay. Oh god, I'm so stressed. I'm so. Oh god, no, don't. Okay. Which way did I come in? I came in this way, I think. Only way to travel. Alright. Good, that's exactly what I want. Oh god, nervous gas. Okay. This is the right way, I think. Yeah, because we went by these people dying. Alright. Alright, let's go. Okay. Oh, this is stressful. Yeah, we're going the right way. We're going the right way. Okay. Alright, let's go. I'm really surprised we haven't seen Fat Man in person yet. Oh god, why do they want to blow this place up? It's so nice. Not really at all, actually. I take that back. Hey, buddy. No, it's fine. No one understands me. Okay. Oh my god. Oh god, Raiden. I'm gonna quote someone great. Cough, cough. Two best friends play. Cough, cough. All the women want to be Raiden. All the men want to be with him. Oh, I know. I sure do. Okay. It's like Raiden and Dante. I need it. I need more of it. Oh, it's just straight. Okay. This is probably a setup, isn't it? I'm gonna assume this is a setup. It's an even bigger setup for another setup. That's really a setup.
Right. Pliskin. Listen carefully.
What is it?
I fell for it.
Fell for what?
That man has my number. A proximity trigger. Microwave.
Oh.
Microwave?
With a 7-foot range. It's not a technique I taught him.
Oh.
Neither was that multi-bomb booby trap. Looks like he's far surpassed me as far as explosives technique goes. As for the rest...
Pete, get the hell out of there.
There's less than 30 seconds left. It's too late.
No!
Pliskin, get away from Strut H as fast as you can.
Pete!
Right. Keep your distance. Use the spray from as far away as possible.
Me?
You can do it. I know that.
I'm not so sure.
But I am. Do it. I know you can.
No. Buddy. Go. Come on. Alright. Alright, not where I wanted to go. Okay. Alright, so where would he put it? Alright. Maybe it's this way. Oh, baby, a triple. Okay. Where would somebody put it? Is it in here? No. Is it in here? No, that is. But is it in here? No. Alright. God, Snake, I'm so scared. Oh god, where is it? Wait. Is it back here? Oh, is it somewhere back here? I think it is. Maybe. Maybe. Oh god, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. God, no one understands me at all. No, no. Okay, okay, okay. Where is it? I don't... Okay, 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 okay. Wait, it's in here, isn't it? It's in... Yeah, it's in here, okay. Okay, let's go to the left, maybe? No, no, that's not it, that's not it. Okay. Let's go this way. Okay. Am I going the right way with this at all? Nope, of course not. Please tell me I'm doing the right thing here. Probably not, probably not, probably not at all. Nope, of course not. Okay. Where is it? Oh god, I hate you all. Oh god, hurry, 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 hurry. You. God, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, which one is it? Where? Okay. Is it AP sensor? No, okay. Mine detector, no. This is what it is, okay. There it is. There it is. Okay. So, okay, I found it. I found it. I found it.
Got your feet wet? These are the basic controls for...
I don't need this. Right now, Colonel. Okay, 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 okay. No, I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you so much. 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 Okay. Oh my god, this... Okay, this is really stressful, really stressful. I've got 100 minutes, or 100 seconds. No! Not what I want, not what I need. Not just what I want, baby. Oh, baby, a triple. Okay, is this it? Okay, is this a good spot? No, no, crap. Yeah, we got it. We got it. We're good. We're good.
Colonel, I've neutralized the bomb.
Good work, Raiden.
Thank
It's a
you.
great loss for everyone.
Yes, it was.
Colonel, any damage report on the explosion?
Seems that the duct for diverting the contaminated seawater was destroyed, and the central section of Shell 2 is flooding. The explosions ignited the oil slick on the surface.
What about the toxins?
The chemicals stayed in containment.
Oh.
There's no immediate danger.
Is the
Okay.
big shell stable?
Shell 1 was unaffected. The price was high, but the threat of the bomb is over for now.
What's the next objective?
Rescue the president. Get back to the upper level.
Roger that.
So can I meet back up with Pliskin now? Okay. Alright. Go back up. God, that was stressful. Who's calling me? Is this Pliscan?
Right. The terrorists have retaliated for our bomb neutralization.
No.
A hostage has been killed. Shot in the head. They shot one of them on the roof, just to make sure we caught it. One of our satellites caught it clear as day.
Damn.
They announced they would kill one every hour from now on.
What are my orders? What should I do?
Stay with your mission objective. Rescue the president.
Ooh.
President Johnson is your first priority.
Priority my butt. They're all in danger.
Jeff, be reasonable. I know what you're feeling, but you can't save them all.
Yeah, I can.
No, not by myself.
Are you expecting that Pliskin to come through?
Yeah.
Well,
Looks like he's turned his radio off too.
I can't complete this mission by myself.
That man was not included in the simulation. He is not a factor in this mission.
What do you mean by that, Colonel?
Your mission must remain a solo effort.
What about the SEALs? No second attempt?
They haven't even gotten to planning that. All
Yep.
we can do is wait. In the meantime, you're our only hope.
I understand.
Right?
Why don't
Go
you
and
do it?
rescue the president.
Oh.
You can start off by getting to the upper level of Strut A.
Why don't you do it?
Well, yeah, why don't you do it? Okay. Strut B, he said, right? I don't know. I'm not listening. God, I hate those things. Oh. No. Oh, no. Oh, how am I gonna beat her? Do I have to punch her? Is that the thing here? Like, how do you kill someone?
I can't tell you how happy I am that you were alive after all. I knew this moment would come. Show yourself and finish me. Like you finished off my father.
What?
Otherwise, you'll be the one to die.
Oh, crap.
Whoa! He's so pretty.
That's not him. This could be interesting. You've seen the fires of hell, haven't you?
Oh, I know who that is. I know who that is now.
Maybe you can give me death. My name is Fortune, lucky in war and nothing else. And without a death to call my own. Hurry, kill me, please.
Oh, jeez, ow. Okay. It just didn't go off, okay. Alright.
Kill me. Sorry.
Oh, I see what you do, okay.
You missed.
Okay.
You can't understand my pain.
I can't, yeah. Ow. Okay.
I'm not hit. That went nowhere.
Yeah. I did nothing. Ow. Get up, please, Rod. What am I doing here? I'm really confused. Okay, I see. Ow. Okay. 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 Well, okay, thanks, guys.
Right? Fat Man just contacted us directly.
That man called us?
Yes. Looks like he placed a bomb on the heliport. He specifically asked for you, right?
Oh, come on.
He's killed off Peter. Now he's after you.
Why me?
Oh. Okay, when he said Peter, I read Pliskin.
Really not a good time for this.
The countdown's already begun, right?
Great. How much time do I have left?
I'll show you the count. 500 seconds remaining.
Great. Great.
So he's planning on taking this place out.
It looks like he has a different agenda from that of Dead Cell.
What about backup?
None.
Okay.
There's no time.
Which type of explosives is it?
He didn't say.
Great. Great. Just great. 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 Just great. Just great. What is going on here?
I'll take over, Queen.
What is it?
It seems our friend Fat Man is out of control.
He'll actually try to destroy this place?
Yes, this could unravel everything we've planned.
But why would he do such a thing?
Who knows? But he's nothing more than a stereotypical mad bomber now. He's completely lost sight of our ideals. And with it, his loyalty to Commander Jackson.
All right. I'll take care of the wayward soul. It wasn't him.
Unfortunate.
I expected more of this one. Really.
But he couldn't kill you, I see.
Completely useless.
Then he's all mine.
No.
Later. Then.
Now!
Oh. That's super cool. Riding your straight OG. I never would have thought to do that.
Damn.
Oh.
Vamp. Are you gone? No. No. That death was meant for me. Why am I the only one that can't die? Alone again? Cheated out of death again? How long will you force me to live? How much longer, Dad?
Oh.
You've punished me enough.
I'm just gonna sneak out of this awkward situation. Am I gonna kill both of them?
I thought you could give me peace. But you couldn't kill me either.
Just. That's terrible. That's so terrible. Did I really win? Yeah, there's no way he's dead. He's not dead. Yep.
There's no need for sorrow, Queen.
Oh. Are they gonna kiss?
I died once already.
Kiss. Make.
I can't die twice.
Oh. See, like I said, I'm like, oh, villains, you know, but like, oh, that's sweet. Oh yeah, I forgot about the fucking bomb. Yeah, this bomb would have gone off by now. Just gonna put that out there for everyone to know. What was that? What was that? Did I just somehow narrowly... Okay, whatever, we're gonna take out this bomb. Okay. Helipad, he said? We gotta find the helipad first. Alright, helipad. Let's get to the center here. Is helipad this way or that way? Oh, first. Okay. I can't tell. Oh my god. You. I overdid it. You. I'm starting to get the hang of that thing. You have to be facing where you're flipping. Yeah. Whatever. Okay. Alright. 440 seconds. Okay, let's find it now. Oh my god, is that it over there in the distance? There's a light in the distance. See them coming closer with the force of ages. Centuries combine. Defenders of the light. Protectors of the right. Power Rangers roar. Power Rangers score. Something win. God, Dino Thunder, it was so great. I need to watch that show again. Just for the stupidity and amazingness. Okay, where is it? That's it over there, okay. Okay, we got this. You didn't see me. I'm a ghost. Is this how speedrunners do it? God, speedrunners must hate games like this. Or love them. Depends on who you are. So is this straight up just a remake? It feels like a remake. No one understands me. No one understands me. No one understands me. No one. That's amazing. Okay, we gotta find this thing, gotta find the thing. Wow, I'm going this way. Hey, am I going the wrong way with this? Nope, there's no one here. Nope, you're wrong. Okay, bye. Okay, hurry. Am I gonna have to do another boss fight up here? Now! God, why wasn't Raiden just a chick? I don't understand. It'd be so much better. Just everything's the exact same, just Raiden's a chick. You can even have, like, Snake skeeve on him or whatever. There's no way that's it. There's no way. Oh no. Oh no. I did something bad, didn't I?
So you're the one.
Oh no.
You're right on time, I see. I like a punctual man.
Is he Dead Cell?
I am Fat Man. I am the greatest that humanity has to offer, and can you hear it? Hear this rhythm? It's the rhythm of time and life. Don't you love this sound? I used to hang around department store clock counters.
What?
Life is short.
Yang in the later years.
Bombs tell the time with every moment of their existence, and nothing else announces
that
its own
brightness.
end with such a fanfare. Glad you could make it. The party's about to start.
I like this villain. It's like Rufus and Yang put together.
Yum. Good year. Let's drink to Stillman, shall we?
Oh.
If you destroy the big shell, you'll never collect your ransom.
Ransom? What are you talking about?
$30 billion in cash.
So that's what's going on, huh?
What the hell are you talking about?
Oh, you'll know soon enough. And I could care less what they plan to do.
I guess.
My ambitions are much more simple. To be the most famous bomber of them all.
You're nuts. No one's gonna give a damn about you.
Oh, yes, they will. I'll go down in history as the man who beat Peter Stillman. That's the only reason I assisted them.
Like hell you beat Stillman. He had your number.
What did you say?
You have nothing of his courage. Or... What are you laughing at?
That croc died a dishonorable death 6 months ago.
6 months ago. The liquidation of Dead Cell.
Call it what you want. Only the right stuff survived that hell. Set me free, you know. Open the way to a new dimension. So that I can become the emperor among detonation devotees.
You're nothing but a common criminal, and that's the only way people will ever remember you.
How dare you! I'm an artist! That is why I dislike boorish military types.
Military.
It's time to start the party. This is how it works. I plant a bomb, and it'll explode soon after that.
Uh-huh.
If you prefer to stay in one piece, you'll have to disable my bombs.
Oh no.
Laugh and grow fat. Let's move!
Let's go.